If you're experiencing high ping in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help improve your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable and faster connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities that can slow down your connection. Step 3. Change server region. In Rocket League, go to the settings menu and change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, resulting in lower ping. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. Enable quality of service OS settings if available, prioritize gaming traffic, and ensure that your router S firmware is up to date. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or offer upgrades to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Rocket League. Enjoy your gaming experience.